Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss week 5 and week 6. First of all, we will discuss week 5, and week 5 is sound. So as you all know, sound can travel through air, solid and water. Sound can be soft and loud, high and low. Some sounds are useful. Sound is a form of energy. Sound are made by vibrations. Sound travel in waves in all directions. Regular repetitive sound waves and irregular repetitive sound waves. Irregular repetitive sound waves create noise such as a person is yelling, while regular repetitive sound waves produce musical notes such as person playing piano. Sound moves through the air, pushing the air particles around its source. When an object vibrates, it moves air particles around it. If your ear within the range of vibrations, you can hear the sound produced. And now let's discuss about week 6. Sound can be measured. Well, sound can be measured by counting the vibrations made in a second. The number of vibrations per second is called the frequency. We measure the vibration and frequency by using the special units called hertz. This unit tells us how many vibrations there are per second. And now about noise pollution. Scientists have found exposure to loud noises is not good for your health. That people who have to work with noisy equipments or live in noisy neighborhoods are more likely to suffer more stress or other health problems as well as hearing loss. They have also found out that children learn better in quiet environments.